Alright, so hello guys, Cryptoaxe this side, hope you all are doing well. So in this video, we are going to discuss about one of the topics, that is, can cryptocurrencies or Bitcoin replace the banks, right? Is it any chance to replace them, or there is no any kind of chance? So watch this video till end and I will give my personal perspective about the topic. If you haven't subscribed the channel, make sure to subscribe it.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only. Trading is informed, involves risk. So before everything you do, analyze your financials and then decide. We are not responsible for any kind of losses. It is very important to do your own analysis before making any investment based on your own personal circumstances.
So if we talk about replacing cryptocurrencies with banks, right? So certainly, from my opinion, it's not possible because there are multiple reasons. Firstly, I would say if in case we are going digital, totally digital, or without any physical money, so it will be really difficult to cooperate or to make or manage the finance for the particular country without physical money. Number second thing is cryptocurrencies are, although very volatile, they are very volatile in the nature. You might have saw Bitcoin be pumping for 50 to 60 percentage and again dropping for 20 to 30 40 percentage also on the overseas, right? So this is one of the thing, the volatility, and to not to totally avoid the physical money out there. So I don't think so this would be a possible chance, but yeah, Bitcoin or cryptocurrency might work as a legal tender in the countries, and yeah, only 2 to 3%, 4% of the countries have only accepted the Bitcoin as a legal tender, others have not, right? So these were some of the points I had advice on. So if you like the video, make sure to subscribe the channel, like the video. Also, if you haven't joined the Telegram channel, you must join that, because we provide regular calls, trading, education on our Telegram channel as well. So this was the only thing. Meet in the next video very soon. Thanks.